Yeah, South Africans. Yeah. No. We can never allow Julius a disrespect to Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi like that. The manner in which describes is Mkhwanazi, the manner in which I'm addressing Mkhwanazi, the tone and the way I'm expressing ngakhona amazwi akhe to Lieutenant General. Ucinga ungubani? People have woken up. People have woken up. Not so long ago, you were praising Mkhwanazi, upper left, right, and center. Hands off Mkhwanazi. Now that Mkhwanazi doesn't dance to his king doesn't dance to your tune. Now you disrespect Mkhwanazi in that manner. Using words, manga someone Mkhwanazi. Who the hell are you? Not telling Mkhwanazi must be summoned. Lamdu signed, wasn't it? Mkhwanazi made a self-sacrifice for the nation, risking his own life, sacrificing family, sacrificing everything for this country. You disrespecting Mkhwanazi. Who the hell are you, Julius? Who think you are Umbanwen? You are intimidated by people who are having intelligence. We know you are the reason why people left the EFF. Ushekene ndwana zakho baziyanifuna maziseGinsberg Steve Biko sende ndwana zakhe ndiyazichallenge afterwards baziyanifuna zonke ndwana zakho baziyanifuna maziseGinsberg Steve Biko sende for i-debate zizirhabulisa ingathi azitholi because engathi wena ulibone elidlalwayo eSouth Africa wena. Because jonga apha you disrespect Mkhwanazi, describing situation in South Africa as a mess. When Mkhwanazi ephelelwe ngamahlathi oslicer, Mkhwanazi uphelelwe ngamahlathi coming to South Africans, uvula ibriefing uthi hey ku-blind anamanyango onqonqoza nibithembi inyango ekhoyo eSouth Africa. Nansi nangu umrhabule, nansi single bafowethu kwenzeka lokho eSouth Africa. Wena udisrespecta lo mntu, udescribe the manner in which enze ngayo la briefing with guns and so on. Buthuleleni uyinyoka gqithi man wena mfana kuthi. Ubuthuleleni imena in which ayenze ngayo briefing earlier on. You were praising you didn't describe this thing, the manner in which guns and what ungubani wena ucasa ukubona. You are intimidated. You are in a race to become whose competition of Thomas Sankara. You are in a race wena Julius to compare yourself with Kwame Nkrumah. You'll never reach that stalwart wena. You'll never reach, and don't compare yourself no Chris Hani wena singamajonga mamela sivukile thina sebukeza ukujongile sulahlekisa abantu